How to use point-slope form in algebra. Have you ever wondered how to write the equation of a straight line when you know its slope and a point on it? Today, we will break down the point-slope form of a linear equation and show you how to use it effectively. Point-slope form is a handy way to express the equation of a line. The formula looks like this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. In this formula, the variables 1 and y1 representing the coordinates of a specific point on the line, while m stands for the slope of the line. The variables x and y representing any point that lies on the line. To use point-slope form, follow these simple steps. First, identify the slope, which is represented by the letter m. The slope tells you how steep the line is. You can find the slope by calculating the change in y divided by the change in x between 2 points on the line. Next, you need to identify a point that the line passes through. This point will be represented by the coordinates x1 and y1. Make sure you have this point available, as it is essential for using the formula. Once you have the slope and the point, substitute them into the formula. For example, if the slope is 2 and the line passes through the point 3, 4, you would plug these values into the formula. This gives you y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 3. After substituting, you can simplify the equation if needed. You can leave it in point-slope form or rearrange it into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, or even standard form. Point-slope form is particularly useful when you know a point and the slope but do not yet know the y-intercept. It connects the slope and points on the line directly to the equation, making it easier to graph linear relationships. It's also good to note some special cases. For horizontal lines, the slope is 0. Their equation simplifies to y equals b, where b is the y-coordinate of any point on the line. On the other hand, vertical lines have an undefined slope and cannot be expressed using point-slope form. Their equation is equals a, where a is the x-coordinate of any point on the line. In summary, point-slope form allows you to write the equation of a line using a known point and the slope. This method makes it easier to understand and graph linear relationships in algebra. So next time you need to write an equation for a line, remember the point-slope form and follow these steps.